Just 15 miles north of Midtown Manhattan is the Village of Bronxville. It is a community rich in history, tradition, and values. From its founding to today, education, civic responsibility, respect for others, and volunteerism make up the very heart of this 1 square mile village. The land, a river, and proximity to New York City all played critical roles in Bronxville's beginning. 18th century farms and orchards were soon followed by a sawmill and gristmill, where today's Pondfield Road crosses the Bronx River. A stone quarry in nearby Tuckahoe brought Alexander Masterton to settle and build his beautiful 1835 neoclassical home on White Plains Road. The arrival of the Harlem Railroad in 1844, coming to what was then called Underhill's Crossing, accelerated both commercial and residential growth. Incorporated in 1898, Bronxville became a peaceful, inviting sanctuary for generations. Here, homeowners and apartment dwellers established roots of family and friendship in a strongly knit community. The institutional heart of Bronxville is its picturesque four corners. The Bronxville School, built in 1922, is a nationally acclaimed model of public education. Here, students from more than 30 countries attend classes from kindergarten through high school. The library, just a crosswalk away, supports the community's core value of lifelong learning. Opposite is Village Hall, where local government protects the health, safety, and general welfare of residents. And finally, completing the crossroads, is the Reformed Church, one of 5 religious institutions in town. From Four Corners, it's an easy walk to Bronxville's business district. Although this commercial center is only a few blocks, it is architecturally varied. And intimate scale and friendly access invite both residents and visitors alike to shop or dine, or to catch a train, or even a movie. Nearby downtown lies a very different typography, with winding streets, yellow brick roads, cobblestone sidewalks, and steep hills and valleys. Starting in the 1890s, William Van Duzer Lawrence transformed this farm of cowpaths, ancient trees, and granite outcroppings into streets and home sites, engaging prominent architects to build grand residences. Designed as an artist colony, it attracted poets and painters, sculptors and authors. Known today as Lawrence Park or the Hilltop, the area is a National Historic District. Other neighborhoods include Crow's Nest, where on a clear day you can see Manhattan, and Masterton Wood, where architect Louis Bowman created his 1920s Tudor-style homes. Bronxville's oldest home, the Abijah Morgan House, is in the Pondfield Road corridor. And nearby once stood Crownlands, the home of young John F. Kennedy. Indeed, the architectural integrity and diversity of residential Bronxville is often noted as its most outstanding characteristic. In addition to large single-family homes, suburban growth came to Bronxville as early as 1910. The easy New York commute attracted young families, requiring 2 new forms of housing in apartment buildings and clustered townhomes. Most were built near the railroad station. With a rich and historic past, a charming present, and a promising future, Bronxville is where people work, and raise families, volunteer their time and talent, connect with neighbors, and embrace community life. As architectural critic Paul Goldberger observed, the most important virtue of a town like Bronxville has to do with the idea of commitment to a place and a willingness to stake ourselves to our communities. If Bronxville teaches us a lesson, it is that of the power of place. It has worked here for more than 100 years, and it will continue to perform its magic for 100 or 2 or 3 or 400 more.